This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Gwen Samms. This custom home was built to last. All brick, open floor plan with vaulted ceiling and 2 master suites. Room for everyone to live and play. Second master has pad for hot tub on patio with hookup. Plenty of room for parking in the 3-car garage or on the dual driveways. Living room, dining room, family room, office, den, game room, etc. Tons of extras. For more information, review the details below or contact Gwen Samms at 304-776-7653.